welcome.
Yes,
and
very warm.
very warm indeed. 27 years since
Yeah.
Reservoir Dogs, and with Pulp Fiction as well, you established immediately after those two films, there was already an adjective, there was already Tarantino-esque.
In a very short period of time, everything that I had ever written up till that time all got made to one degree or another. And luckily, the first thing to get made was Reservoir Dogs, which I directed. So I wasn't just, so I was looked at as a director and not a writer trying to be a director. But then True Romance got made after that. And then at the same time I was doing Pulp Fiction, Natural Born Killers got made. And then the first thing I ever got paid to write was From Dusk Till Dawn. So before I started Jackie Brown, you know, I literally had 5 things out there that had my voice out there.
Jackie Brown comes along, which is a slight departure. It's not quite what everybody's expecting.
I was trying to do something extremely different because I was aware enough to know that Pulp Fiction was a phenomenon. So it was a conscious effort to not try to compete with Pulp Fiction. After Jackie Brown, every movie I've ever done, I tried to kind of top the last one to one degree or another, even if it's just for me. All right, but that was one I knew I cannot try to top it. Don't try to top this. This is not the one to go, ha ha.
So now, if we're going to move on to Hateful Eight, it's partly a Western, but it's also partly one of those Agatha Christie stories where everybody ends up in a house.
The idea was supposed to be that any one of these guys in another movie could be the bad guy. 8 scoundrels and then trapping them in a room together. I didn't do the mystery thing where you figure it all out and then you write backwards to sell your play. Like when I started writing it, I didn't know who poisoned the coffee.
Ha sido uno de ellos.
And then I would discover it as we went.
Given you are so busy and you give so few interviews, we are so grateful to have had your time this evening. Quentin Tarantino.
Oh, this was a lot of fun. Thank you so much.